Arnold Schwarzenegger, actor, bodybuilder, businessman, and politician. His autobiography, Total Recall, is a big and bold as the man himself. So, if you are looking for a story about ambition, resilience, and reinvention, this book is a must read. The book covers everything from his humble beginnings in a small Austrian village to becoming the world's greatest bodybuilder, a Hollywood superstar, and eventually the governor of California. Arnold's life is proof that dreaming big and working hard can take you anywhere. One thing I loved about Total Recall is Arnold's honesty. He doesn't just talk about his victories, he's upfront about his failures, controversies, and even personal mistakes. So it's refreshing to see someone so successfully reflect in their life with such transparency. The book also dives into his mindset, how he set goals, stayed disciplined, and constantly pushed himself to the next level. Whether you are into fitness, business, or self improvement, there is something in his story to inspire you. For me, Total Recall isn't just an autobiography, it's a playbook for chasing success on your own terms. Arnold's life is larger than life, but his lessons are surprisingly relatable. So, if you are ready to be inspired by Arnold's incredible journey, you can grab your copy through the link in the description, or you can even listen to it for free on Amazon Audible trial. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.